guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. My box right here. Can't show you everything on the box. I can't show you the cute box in the front because something about the label. They decided to relabel my box with the FedEx people. So my cute little BoxyCharm that go up here where it's all cute and all, I ain't got it. It ain't cute today. So FedEx, we beefing. Just in case you didn't know, right now FedEx, I'm letting you know, I'm putting you on notice. Me and FedEx beefing, okay? It's on notice. They know now. They know. Messing up my pretty box. You can't be doing that. But I know y'all, it ain't what's outside the box. It's all about what's in this box. And this month, BoxyCharm is lit. Woo, I cannot wait to show you guys everything in BoxyCharm this month. If you didn't know, BoxyCharm is only $21 a month. 21. That's it. I'll leave the link below. You guys, yeah, I can't. I'm over talking myself. I'm so excited. You guys need to check BoxyCharm out. It is amazing. So this month's box is Make Waves. And when I show you these items, honey, you gonna be making waves, splashing, okay? But make sure your wig's tight because if it's not, it's gonna come off, okay? So the first item in here is the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I am so excited to get this. Look at this packaging. Hello. Let's take a minute. Look at her. Look at it. Let me open it so you can see this packaging. Again, everything in the box, you'll always get over $100 value for $21. I mean, hey, and it's not just makeup. They have skincare and all kinds of things. So when people say, well, you know, I have enough makeup. No, they don't just do makeup. As you can see right here. Oh my God, this packaging is everything. I'm so happy I got this. This is a gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser. Gentle but effectively cleanses skin, dissolves makeup, oat amino acid condition with wow. Can I talk? Wow, the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES, whatever that means, free. All skin types approved. $28. The box is $21. This is $28. Boom. One product paid for the box already. So when I tell you I love Boxy, now you know why. And I was seeing people like show their boxes. I'm like, please God, let me be the one that got the gentle. Please God, let me be the one that get the gentle, because there's so many variations of the box. So it's not just one box that goes out. There's so many different variations of the box. So you never know what you're gonna get until you get it. And that's pretty cool. But yeah, I got the cleanser. So I'm extremely excited because I've been having a lot of breakouts on my face, here and here and right in here. So I cannot wait to try it out. And again, the packaging is really cute. So enough with that. That's my most favorite item. We don't even gotta ask me what's my most favorite item. That is my most favorite item in the whole box. But the next thing is the Alamar Claret Blush Trio. And this is really cute. This is the packaging. This is a blush trio, okay? This runs $22. It has a mirror. Don't want to blind you, but that's what the mirror looks like. And here are the shades. What I love about this is they have 3 different variations of it. Light, medium, dark. And they go by, of course, your skin tone. My skin tone is dark, so they sent me the one for dark skinned people, because I would have hated to got one for light people, and I'm dark skinned. So they do keep that in mind, which I love. And these are the blushes. I think these blushes are gonna look so cute on my skin tone for this summer. So this is $22. $22. Again, it pays for the box in itself. And I've never heard of this company before, so this gives me a chance to, you know, experiment with their brand, and if I like their brand, keep buying. But these shades are very pretty. Like, if you guys can see, I know the sun might not give this orange much show, but this is Deserted. This is Oasis. Ooh, this is pretty. And my most favorite is Candela. I think that's what it's called. Favorite. This is Oasis, and this is Deserted, and you can hardly see it because the way the color is coming off. But oh, y'all know I ain't the best at swatches. Super, super pretty, super pigmented. I cannot wait to use these and put it all over my face. The next item comes from Seat London. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. This is $22. Again, the box is what? $21.21. Okay, so what you doing? You didn't press the button below to order your box now? Like, what is you doing? This is $22. Look at this. Look at the color. One of my favorite colors with these purples in it, y'all. Oh my goodness. Doe foot applicator. And I'm just gonna swatch it. Oh my. Whew. Y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. This lighting ain't doing it no justice, y'all. It is so pretty. And you can see the acid reflux, okay? You can see the reflex in it. And then when you put it in, it looks more gold. Oh, look at her. That is so pretty. Look at that. You see it? You see it changing colors? That's dope. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. You know, you gotta get a little hood when you really like something, you know. So yeah, I really do like that. That's really, really nice. I cannot wait to use that. Wow, that's pretty. So the next one is from Pure. This is the Pure Eyelash Curler. I'm trying to see the price of it. It says it goes for $18 for this eyelash curler. Love the color. I love this color. And then, of course, you know, you just do your curling of your eyelashes, and it's very sturdy. They have something similar to this at the Dollar Tree, but it isn't as sturdy and it doesn't feel as strong as this one does. The one from the Dollar Tree is really flimsy, so it's nice to get a really nice one for $18 is the cost, but in my BoxyCharm for $21. Okay, so yeah, I definitely will be using this bad boy, and this is just so you guys can see what it looks like. Really, really pretty. The last product in here is Luna by Luna lip gloss. This retails for $18, and I have Venus is the color. This is perfect for my skin tone, so thank you for sending me something that will work very well with my skin tone. And let me show you guys what it looks like. It is, come on, focus in. It's a doe foot applicator, and it's just a really nice color that goes with my skin. I don't have makeup, so you have to excuse me today. Just excuse me. Just excuse me. But it's a real pretty color, so it's my lips but better kind of color. And what's that smell? Oh, it smells good. The smell is like a pancake batter, like a, not a pancake batter, a cupcake batter. Yeah, like a vanilla can I talk? Vanilla extract is what I'm getting out of it, and this is what it looks like. Like, it just blends directly in with my skin. It blends directly into my skin. So I do like this, so I cannot wait to continue to use this and keep this in rotation, especially for days when you really don't want no makeup on. Psh, boom, boom, lip glossed up and out the door. That's it, guys. That's everything I got in this month's BoxyCharm. It's lit. Okay, this month's BoxyCharm is lit, just like last month's. My favorite product has to be out of everything, the Glamglow. Like, who else can you get a subscription box and get Glamglow a full size? Okay, yeah, go ahead and tell that to that other little subscription box out there. We ain't gonna say no names, but only cost $10, but don't give you nothing to make you holler. We're not even gonna mention their name. We're not gonna mention them. But you know, this box is legit, and I don't know, I'm gonna have some fun, I think, really, with these blushes. I think these blushes are really, really cute, and I cannot wait to put them on my skin. I cannot wait. I'm probably gonna use them tomorrow because they're so pretty. So I don't know. That's it, guys. I'm rambling now. I'm very pleased with this month's BoxyCharm. If you get BoxyCharm, let me know what item you got this month that you love the most. And if you don't get BoxyCharm, sis, what is you doing? Link below. Go ahead and sign up for BoxyCharm. Only $21 a month, and you can enjoy over $100 in items for $21. I mean, you can't beat that, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'm gonna get off here with no makeup on. Bye.